Hello friends, I'm glad to see you on the Home Tips channel. In this video I'll tell you how to restore your grey, washed out bedding to a fresh look and remove various stains that remain on your clothes even after washing. If you open your closet, take out your bedding and realize it doesn't smell the way you'd like, that is, not the faint scent of your laundry detergent but a musty smell, then you need to change your laundry routine a bit. Sometimes clothes look stale after washing, as if they were not washed properly. Many housewives immediately add more detergent or gel during the wash cycle, thinking this will immediately make the clothes cleaner. In fact, it's the opposite. Adding more detergent is not necessary in this case. This can cause the fabric to become dull and unpleasant to the touch, as excess detergent remains in the fabric and is difficult to rinse out. In this case, you need to enhance the properties of the laundry detergent, and there are several ways to do this. We will discuss one of them now. What other situation could there be? You bought some detergent, but it doesn't clean your clothes well. Or you bought your usual one, but it doesn't clean as well as before. Well, you can't just throw it away, right? Something needs to be done. These issues can be resolved with ammonia. It is a powerful alkaline solution that, when used in small amounts, can be truly effective in washing. It effectively dissolves grease and dirt that penetrate deep into fabric fibers. It also eliminates unpleasant odors and restores the whiteness of old fabrics. The main thing is to use it correctly and safely. We will need 10% ammonia. I bought it at the pharmacy. And remember, never mix ammonia or anything containing ammonia with bleach or anything containing bleach. Avoid inhaling ammonia and do this in a well-ventilated area. So, if you put on a t-shirt and it starts to smell under your arms after just 5 minutes, try the following. Take 200 ml of water and 1 tablespoon of ammonia. Apply the solution to the underarm stains. And leave for 10 minutes. The same solution can be used on greasy stains, such as if you dropped a piece of cake on your t-shirt or splattered oil. Apply the solution to the stain and let it sit for 10 minutes. Ammonia will also work on lipstick, foundation or mascara stains. Take 100 ml of water, add 1 teaspoon of ammonia and a little liquid soap. Apply the mixture to the stain and wait 5 minutes. After treating the stains, all the clothes should be washed in the washing machine as usual. I'll wash them with other clothes. I put them in the drum. I also add the gel. And I start the wash. After washing, the armpits of t-shirts and sweaters, the collars of shirts and the sleeves of jackets will be perfectly clean. The greasy stain was washed out and there are no lipstick stains either. Now let's move on to washing bed linens. How do you wash them properly so they wash well and don't leave a sticking mess in your closet? First, don't overload the washing machine. Bedding needs some space to rub against the raised parts of the drum. This helps dislodge dirt from the fabric. Secondly, use the right amount of detergent. Read the instructions carefully. It is better to add less, but definitely not more. Third, avoid washing bedding on quick or short cycles at low temperatures. The correct washing mode and temperature will allow the bedding to wash better. I always select the cotton cycle and wash at 60 degrees Celsius with an extra rinse. And most importantly, add 2 tablespoons of ammonia to the detergent compartment. It removes yellowing and dullness from whites, preserves the vibrancy of colored fabrics, softens water, dissolves grease, sweat and other stains so bedding washes better, and eliminates odors of mold, mustiness, urine and sweat. Before washing, be sure to check the instructions on your laundry detergent to ensure it is chlorine-free. That's it. Dry your bedding thoroughly and put it away in the closet. Be sure that it is washed well and that no unpleasant odors will appear in clean linen. That's how you can use ammonia for laundry, friends. Firstly, to keep your bedding clean, and secondly, to remove some stains. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in more videos.